People don't understand what you do in a networking room. It's rarely a confidence issue. It's usually a language issue. I hear a lot of smart business owners saying networking doesn't work for them. But when I listen to their introductions, what's actually happening is people don't know how to place them. There are so many times that I jump into a call, and even after 30 minutes, I don't know exactly what they do. And if someone can't place you, then they cannot refer you. Networking doesn't fix positioning, it exposes it. And that's why you see so many new businesses going into networking. It's like they're jumping on mini sales calls practicing, because if they can get it right in the networking room, then they can get it right in the sales call. So before you change rooms, before you say, this room sucks and these people don't get me, I want you to pressure test your language first. And one simple way to do that is through Google Trends. And this isn't about SEO, and it's not about ranking websites. It's about checking whether the words you're using are already recognizable in the real world. Let's start with the blue and the red line down here. Blue is fractional CRO and red is interim CRO. Look at the 5 years of data. They are flat. This does not mean that the role isn't available. It just means that this is insider language. People, when they search the internet, they don't search job titles when they're frustrated. They search for help. And it's the same when they are looking to hire someone. They are searching for help and assistance based on the problem that you solve. Now, let's take a look at the yellow line. Yellow is revenue leadership. You can see it spikes dramatically. Spikes are really interesting in Google Trends. It does not mean that they're automatically better. A spike usually means something external made the term more visible. Right now, almost all sales-related searches are spiking because of economic pressure, political uncertainty, changing buyer behaviors. Companies are just trying to figure out what's next. So yes, the yellow line goes up, but visibility does not always equal readiness to buy. Some of that spike is anxiety, some of it is education, and some of it is just people trying to get their bearings. You cannot assume spikes equal intent. Now, look at the orange line. The orange line here stays steady. This one is how to scale sales. It has no dramatic spikes, just a consistent baseline over the 5 years, and you can see it gradually growing. That tells me something different. This is how people describe the problem when growth breaks, especially in uncertain markets. Your business is built to solve a consistent problem, not the momentary panic. Now, let's look at this one right here. This purple one is very interesting. It's sales pipeline. It spikes too, but this is where interpretation matters. When you scroll down to the top queries, you see what is sales pipeline. So let's flip it to sales pipeline right here. And you'll see pipeline and sales. What is sales pipelines? What is pipeline? Sales pipeline management. That tells you something. This term has mixed intent. Learning tools, software, development, templates, not necessarily leadership help. If you say, I fixed your sales pipeline, you might be interpreted as a CRM implementer, a automation specialist, or a system builder. It sounds strong, but it's vague. And vague language makes people nod, but not act. Now, our last one we have up here is going to be our green line. That's going to be sales leader. It trends upward. It's more recognizable than fractional CRO, but it doesn't have the spike dramatically like revenue leadership. This tells me it's a stable professional term, but still more role-based than problem-based. Job title versus frustration. And here's why this matters in networking. If your introduction matches general curiosity, people will smile. If your language matches a specific frustration, people introduce you. The goal is not to chase the spikes. The goal is to choose language that has recognition, clarity, and intent, especially in so many noisy markets. And that's why I don't lead with fractional CRO. It's not wrong. It just skips ahead of how people are thinking. I start with the problem, and then the title comes later. And in uncertain markets, clear language will always beat clever titles. If this video has helped, subscribe to my channel. I talk a lot about how to make networking actually work for you.